Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by combining dry ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoons salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 1/3/4 cups milk and 1/2 cup melted butter until smooth. Gently fold wet into dry until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep waffles tender. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees F and place a 12-cup silicone waffle mold on a rimmed baking sheet so the pan heats evenly while you finish the batter. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes to hydrate the flour and stabilize bubbles for a lighter interior. Spray each cavity of the silicone mold with nonstick oil and fill each cup 3/4 full using a 1/3 cup measure for consistent size. Place the baking sheet on the center rack and bake at 425 degrees F for 12 to 15 minutes. Check at 12 minutes. Waffles are done when edges are golden, the surface springs back to the touch, and a toothpick comes out clean of wet batter. When waffles are out of the oven, transfer them to a wire rack and cool for 5 minutes to preserve a crisp exterior while avoiding sogginess. To hold several portions, place them on a rack in a 200 degrees F oven for up to 30 minutes. This prevents steaming and keeps edges crisp. For storage, refrigerate cooked waffles up to 2 days or freeze individually for up to 2 months. Reheat frozen waffles at 350 degrees F for 7 to 10 minutes, or toast from frozen for a quick, crisp finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.